Welcome to my channel Chemistry with DNA. I am Noman Ahmed and today we are going to start some of the most important topics of O-level chemistry. Today here students, you can see that today we are going to convert moles and volume of gases and volume of gases into moles. If you want to find the volume of gas and the data is given, so how can you solve the question? If you want to find the mole and volume is given, how can you find the answer of these questions? Very easy. So let's get started with the basic knowledge. Now see, this is a kind of questions given in your paper. Suppose we have given moles and we are going to find out the, we can say we are going to find out the volume, and if volume is given, how can we find out the volume? So these are the questions. So before going to this, you should know two things, two most important formulas. Two important formulas to solve all these questions. Very easy formula. Number one, suppose let me write in 1 mole of gas is equal to 24 dm cube. Suppose if 2 moles of gas is there, 2 mole of gas is given, so 24 multiplied by 2, that will be multiplied by 2 multiplied by 24 dm cube. So that will be 48 dm cube. So you need to remember only one thing, 1 mole of gas is always equal to 24 dm cube. This is formula number 1 you will learn. And the second formula is very easy. If mole of gas is equal to volume of gas divided by 24 dm cube. So these two formulas will be applied on these questions. You will get the answer. You can get these questions by this formulas and also from this. Suppose the first question is find volume. In this formula, now see, in this formula mole is given and you need to find out the volume. So suppose 1 mole, from this we are going to solve it from this equation. 1 mole of gas is equal to 24 dm cube. So how many moles, 3.5 moles will require how much volume? So that is 3.5 mole of gas will require how much volume? X. So I'm not sure about that because we are not sure about how much 3.5 mole will be required. So we will simply multiply it with simple, like 1 will equal to 24 dm cube, so 3.5 is equal to x, we will cross multiply it. So 1 multiplied by x is equal to 24 multiplied by 3.5, and x will come out to be, if we find out the answer from calculator, you will get 84 dm cube. 84 dm cube will be the answer. So this is very easy. You can find out the volume of any substances, like 1 mole. How to find the volume? This is these two questions, how to find the volume, and these two questions, how to find the mole. So for how to find the volume, you will get this from them. You also can get the same formula. And if you want to apply this formula, just put the value in it, you will get the answer. Suppose if you want to use this formula, mole of gas, now see, this is 3.5 mole is given in the same formula. 3.5 moles of gas is given and you are going to find the volume. So just put question mark over here and 24 dm cube. So you just cross multiply it. So volume will be 3.5 multiplied by 24 dm cube. So answer is 84 dm cube. So these questions can be solved from both the equation. From this you can also solve, from this you can also solve the question. So this was the first question. Now come to the second question. The second question is amount of HCl in mole is given, 0.58 mole of HCl is given. What will be the value? It's up to you whether you solve it from this formula or from this equation, both are same. So suppose from the first, how can we get 1 mole? 1 mole of gas is equal to 24 dm cube. So how much 0.5 mole will contain? 58 mole of gas will occupy X. So 124, 0.5 and X, so that simply by ratio you will get the answer. Cross multiply X is equal to 24 multiplied by 0.58. Simply just multiply it and you will get the answer. That's 13.92 is the answer. 13.92. We are going to find the volume, so it will be in dm cube. So we solve this question from this formula. Now this question can be solved from the same formula. Now just put the formulas in it, and suppose this is a question. So moles, what are the moles? 0.58. In this formula we can put 0.58 mole of gas is equal to, we are going to find the volume, so just put question mark in it, and 24 dm cube is fixed from the formula. So 24 dm cube is, so just cross multiply it, so volume will be 0.58 multiplied by 24. So same answer, that round about 13.92 will be your answer, dm cube. So from this formula we can solve these two questions easily. Now see, if suppose this question, so we just solve these two questions, very easy question. Find moles. Now volume is given, now you have to find the moles. So volume is given, how to find the moles? So that's very easy. Now see, what is the volume? From the same, you can solve from this, and you can also from this equation also. 1 mole of gas is equal to 24 dm cube. Now see, volume of gas is, if 100 dm cube gas is there, what find the mole? In place of 100 dm cube, what volume is given? X, just cross multiply it. Just cross multiply, you will get the answer. Yeah, you can say 1 ratio 24 and X ratio 100. So you will get 100 is equal to X, and you can say 24X. 100 divided by 24 is equal to X. So the first answer of the same question when you are going to discuss is the value is 4.167. 4.167 is the answer. So that will be mole, so we will just write mole of it. So because the unit is mole. Now if in the same formula, now same, how can we solve this question? Volume of C2H6, this is ethane, it is a gaseous state, 5 centimeter cube, find the moles. So again, there is one thing more. Here 500 centimeter cube, so you need to convert it into decimeter cube by just dividing 1000. So the answer will be like the same. Let me write over here. Now this question, how can we solve this question? So 1 mole of gas is equal to, the same formula we are applying, that is 24 dm cube. So 500 centimeter cube, first divide it into by 1000, will occupy X. Just cross multiply, 1 ratio 24, X ratio, that will be 0.5 dm cube. Cross multiply, the answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be 0.0208. 0.0208 will be the answer of this moles. So this is the easiest way, and now this question can also be solved from the same formula. Now this question is solved from this formula, but now we are going to find the answer from the same formula. So just how to solve. Now see this, we will remove just it. Let me remove. Now again see, volume of gas is given, that is 500 centimeter cube. So mole of gas, we are going to find out the volume of gas. The volume of gas is given 500 centimeter cube. 500 centimeter cube first divided by 1000, and volume is 24 dm cube. So you will get the answer. So the answer was 0.0208. 0.0208 mole is the answer. Simply you can just say that these questions 1, 2, 3, 4 can be solved from the same formula and from the same formula. You can solve from this formula as well, and if you don't, let me make it easy for you. Remove this one. These two important formulas you need to learn. 1 mole of gas is equal to 24 dm cube, and 1 mole of gas is equal to volume of gas or 24 dm cube. So these are the questions you can easily solve it. Now come to the third portion of question. Now see, these are the two questions. If somebody asks from you, okay, well, how can we find the answer of these questions from both the equation, from this one and this one? So these are for your practice. Whenever you go home, you just solve these. Now mole is given, you need to find the volume, and for 48 dm cube of chlorine gas, you need to find out the moles. So both is your homework. I think you will solve it. This is your homework. So I hope so you enjoyed my video, and again, if there any question, you can ask in comment section. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.